So, before Jiu-Jitsu, I was a pretty anxious kid. I was very nervous about a lot of things, and yeah, so there was days that I felt depressed. There was days that I felt high anxiety. Some days I felt fat, insecure, tired, lonely, depressed. All these things, and the thing that I use to manage those things is obviously Jiu-Jitsu. I'm obviously a Jiu-Jitsu practitioner. I'm always trying to, spread Jiu-Jitsu everywhere, so you know what I'm gonna say. Jiu-Jitsu helps me with those kinds of things. Is it the cure to all those things? No. No, it's just a tool that I use to manage my life. So it helps me with the depression, it helps me with high anxiety, with PTSD, it helps me with being fat. You can still do Jiu-Jitsu and be fat, I guess, but it really helps. Again, it's not the cure or the silver bullet for all these things, but it is a tool. And it's one of the greatest tools I've ever found to being able to manage those kinds of things. Some days are better than others, Someday I'll have a crappy day and I won't even want to come into Jiu-Jitsu. But there's never been a time that I felt like that and came to Jiu-Jitsu that I regretted it. There has been times, however, that I regretted not going to Jiu-Jitsu. I have a saying: if my feet can touch the mat and my hands can grab a little cloth, everything's gonna be okay. And I truly believe that. It kind of lets me reset something in my brain. So, I've never been on medication or anything for depression or anxiety or any of that kind of stuff, but I have known a lot of people that were. And I've actually known a lot of people that were able to get off their medication because of, doing Jiu-Jitsu and using Jiu-Jitsu as a tool. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to be you, and I'm not suggesting that people should try to run out and get off the medication they're on either, so please don't take any kind of crazy advice like that from me. I'm just a Jiu-Jitsu practitioner, you know what I'm saying? But what I do want to convey to you is that if you have never tried the beautiful art of Jiu-Jitsu and you've been thinking about it, maybe you're feeling kind of depressed or lonely or anxious or fat, then man, please give it a shot. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. If you live close to my academy, send me a message. We'll work something out, get you in here. I know can be some anxiety of coming just to this place. I can help you with that, man. Shoot me a message, I can help you. If you don't live close to me, seek out another Jiu-Jitsu school close to you. And if you need some encouragement on that also, man, shoot me a message. I'll do what I can. Maybe I can recommend a school that's close to you. So anyway, I just have gotten so much benefit out of Jiu-Jitsu other than the chokes and joint locks that obviously come with it. Yeah, self-defense is great. We all want to defend ourselves in a real-life street fight. But the real magic to me has been that ability or the tool to be able to manage things like anxiety, PTSD, depression, being fat. And, I go through my days. Sometimes it's okay to be a little fat. It's fine. But all jokes aside, Jiu-Jitsu is a game changer. And I just wanted to share that with you. Maybe you're in a point where you're kind of looking for a sign. If you're looking for a sign, this is it. Anyway, I hope this message finds you well. And I hope you find Jiu-Jitsu in your life soon. If you're already in Jiu-Jitsu, please share with others. You might change somebody's life.